Hey guys, welcome back. Guess what I have? I've barely got through February. I'm still trying to do February and March has arrived. Woohoo! This is the Spellbinders Glimmer and Cut club kit. I don't know if you can hear the chattering in the background, but that's my kitty cat. Anyway, he's talking to his friends outside, the birds and the squirrels, because you needed to know that. Anyway, back to this kit. March has arrived, and so I'm just going to run through this, and then hopefully either I'll have a video at the end of this, or I will post hopefully in March, unlike my February ones, some ideas for you and how this all goes together and stuff. I'm very excited about this one, actually. It's really, really nice. So first of all, we have the hot foil that comes in the kit, and this one is cobalt blue. It's stunning. I'm like, wow. It's so beautiful. And it's like a metallic-y one, as opposed to like like the aura ones have that sort of mother of pearl thing. This is just a metallic, but look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Anyway, blue, cobalt blue. And then to go with that, we have the So Kind of You Glimmer of the Month. And this has a couple of coordinating dies, which I think is really nice. This section here will cover this piece over here. And this is a hot foil plate, this is a hot foil plate, and so is this piece here. So this will create top and bottom, and then this will do the center of your card, so you can do a whole card front. And then this piece, like I say, will die cut this section, and the circular die, it's like a scallopy sort of circle, oval, you can then die cut around your sentiment and sort of pop it up in this section. My understanding. So this gives you an idea, if it will focus, of what you can do. So you could do this on, like it's got here, in 2 different colors, or in 2 different colored cardstocks, or whatever you want. Very, very cute and very pretty. So we will play with that, of course. And then we have the small die of the month, which is Floral Butterfly Card Front, and I love this. I fell in love with it. As soon as I saw it, I was like, oh, can't wait. And basically you get this die, which is very detailed, and you would cut 2 of these. You could do 1, obviously, but you cut 2 of them and sort of put the other piece up here, and that creates a center for like a sentiment or something, and then 2 sections with your butterfly, and you get the body of the butterfly, the wings, that you can, again, you can do them in different colors, different types of cardstocks. You could hot foil some card with a pattern on it. I'm going to try and do a video on that because somebody asked about that. And then put like details like the little flowers, even the little dots for the flowers are there. There's like a foliage little thing here, whatever you want to call it, a sprig type thing. And then 2 sentiments that say just because. So this gives you an idea of what you can do. This is 2 of them back to back. The just because in the center for your main thingy bob, and then technical term, of course, sentiment. And then these are like those sprig bits that you can then layer up with the flowers and the centers. So yeah, so you would cut 2. It's very, very cute and very clever, and I'm excited. Excited. It don't take much. Right, then we have the large die of the month, which is the Flowering Tree and Collapsible card base. Wow. I have a million ideas in my head. Basically there's a card base, the 2 sides. No, what is this? Oh, this is to create the like stand bit. I'll turn it over and show you in a minute what I mean. This sort of, it's, you can create 3 levels, that's the word, with this one piece. These are the side panels, and then this is your sort of back, where everything else, there's flowers and little extra bits. And then this beautiful tree, scrapbook page, family tree, come on, so cool. And then there's the happy birthday sentiment, which has this extra little piece here that will help you stick it into each layer. So what I mean by all that is that this is what your end piece will be, and it will fold flat into an envelope, and I believe it's an A2 size, I think. I think so. I think it will fit in an A2 envelope. I'll try it and I'll show you. But how stunning is that? Now, my brain went all out. Like this, I love this, but you could put anything in this. So if you take the happy birthday out and you take the tree out, you could use this for anything, guys. Think of all your stamps, all your you know, other dies that you've got that create little critters. Come on. It's so clever. Anyway, told you I got a bit excited about it. So there you go. So the large, the small, and the glimmer of the month in 6 minutes. So I will be back with a video, hopefully, for each of these. I will try and showcase them all. Yeah, let's see if I can get it done in March for you this time around. So I hope you've enjoyed this, guys, and I hope you take inspiration from what we create later on. And I will see you in the next one. Bye!